stop scrolling because I just found some of the most creative ways to turn old jeans into wearable pieces, and I went down a full Pinterest rabbit hole to find them. I pulled together my favorites, and you are not ready for some of these. I've got the full Pinterest board linked in the description for you to look through, get inspiration, and grab any patterns that might be connected to the pieces you see. But here's the fun part. By the end of this video, I want you to vote on your favorite idea, and once I hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning one in my own style and show you exactly how I do it. I want you to think about something fast fashion cannot compete with you. Stores can mass produce denim all day long, they can copy trends, they can flood racks with pieces that look similar. But what they cannot do is recreate your eye, your decisions, and your creativity. Every cut you make, every stitch you place, every way you decide to combine fabrics, that becomes something no factory can duplicate. That's the difference between wearing something off a hanger and wearing something that came out of your own mind. If you're starting to see what's possible, like this video and subscribe for more videos like this and tutorials. And there's a link in the description to tutorial videos connected to some of my content along with general tutorials to help you get started. Because when you begin to upcycle denim, you're not just saving fabric, you're stepping into a level of creativity that fast fashion will never be able to touch. And that's where your style stops being something you buy and starts becoming something only you can create. And once you see that, you can't unsee it. Every pair of jeans becomes possibility, not waste, and every idea becomes a chance to build something that feels like you. This is where confidence grows, not from buying more, but from creating more. And the truth is, most of these ideas don't even start as perfect designs. They start as curiosity, a pair of scissors, and a willingness to try. You don't need a fashion degree. You don't need expensive tools. You just need the willingness to see denim differently than you did yesterday. The more you create, the more your eye changes, and suddenly what used to look like old jeans starts looking like fabric full of potential. That shift is everything, because it means you're no longer just consuming fashion, you're participating in it, you're shaping it. And that's something no store, no trend cycle, and no fast fashion brand can ever take away from you.